All right. It's here. Jones Credit Repair ebook. Okay. Step-by-step credit ebook. Removal of inquiries, dispute templates, and additional business methods. I will give you guys basic structures of personal, because you got to know the difference between personal and business credit, because you got to separate the two from personal and business, from social security number to EIN. What is credit? If you ask yourself what is credit, you will narrow credit down into 3 types of credit. All right? You got borrowers, you got lenders, and you have business credit. You also have different types of credit like installment loans, credit cards, student loan. Those are any types of credit lines. So, to learn the basic structures of credit, you have to understand credit first to know how to build credit, fund credit, the fundamentals, the basics of credit. All right? So, click the link in the bio. Jones Credit Repairs and Solution is your solution.